this video, I'm going to show you how to make your phone number private and use it and call anyone. Before we continue, if this is your first time here, consider subscribing to this channel. Like and share this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful. Don't forget to hit that bell icon for notification when I release a new video. For questions, comment and complaint, go to the comment box below and drop it. Now let's move on. If there is any reason you wish to call someone without revealing your number on the caller ID, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple method in which you can use to hide your number and call anyone. Now on your mobile phone, click on this call data. Then come to this three vertical dots. Click on it. Click on settings. If your phone is a 2-SIM phone, you will click on this calling account. Then from here, choose the line that you want to hide the number. From here, come to additional settings. Now click on caller ID. Then click on hide number. Now your number is hidden for all outgoing calls. Now let's test it and see how it works. I'm calling my number now. As you can see now, it works. It shows private number here. That's how you can make your number private and use it to call anyone. In case you want to remove your number from private, you go back to the call dialer, click on this vertical lock, then click on call setting, then go to the line that you use, click on it, click on the additional setting, click on caller ID, then click on network default. You have now successfully removed your number from private. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like and share this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell for you to be the first to know when I release a new video. Thank you. Bye for now. Till I come your way.